Look how creamy this is, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Look how soft. Look how smooth. Ooh. It just glides on the skin like that. Really nice. Really nice. All right. An anti-aging overnight moisturizer. This is it right here. Now, using a moisturizer on your face at night, a moisturizer that's gonna lock the moisture in the skin and prevent water from escaping from the skin, will allow your skin to look way better in the morning once used on a regular. Today, I'm gonna share a natural DIY moisturizer with you. One you can whip up in your kitchen, an overnight moisturizer that you can apply on your skin for plumper looking skin, for firmer looking skin, for a more radiant looking skin. But best of all, what I like about this moisturizer is that it locks the moisture in the skin. Therefore, if you have dry skin, you have rough looking skin, if you have crepey looking skin, this moisturizer, when applied on the skin, will help you to achieve better looking skin. Now look at my face, guys. I just applied here, and look at it just plump my skin up. Look at my cheeks right here compared to my cheek right there, and just look at that natural glow to the skin. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so definitely, guys, what works well on my skin might not work as well on your skin. But what do you have to lose? Just give it a try and come back and leave a comment. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna get in the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how to whip this moisturizer up for healthy glowing skin. Before I jump in the kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to also follow us on our other platforms like on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. And also, guys, don't forget to take care of you. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. And don't forget to click on that little handbag there where we're going to put some of the ingredients link that we're using in this video. Now let's start with Vaseline, which is really petroleum jelly. Vaseline doesn't add water to your skin, but what it does really well is lock moisture in the skin. Think of it like a protective seal. When your skin already had hydration, Vaseline helps prevent the moisture from escaping from the skin. This is especially helpful for dry, rough, or even tired looking skin. When skin stays hydrated, it naturally looks smoother and healthier. That's why Vaseline is often used in skincare routine, focusing on softness and skin barrier protection. In this DIY, Vaseline acts at the base for our moisturizer. It helps all the other ingredients stay on the skin longer, giving them time to do their job instead of evaporating quickly. We're using 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline. Now once we place the Vaseline in the bowl, we're going to warm the Vaseline up. You can even choose to melt the Vaseline. I'm just using the back of my spoon to warm it up. And warming the Vaseline, you're going to notice that it gets more soft and more creamier. This is going to take about 30 seconds or so. Now once this is done, we are going to move on to our next ingredient. Now our next ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is one of the most loved skincare ingredients, and it is for a good reason. Aloe is known for hydrating, cooling, and calming. It helps smooth skin that feel dry, tight, or even uncomfortable. It is also lightweight, which helps prevent your mixture from feeling too greasy. Aloe vera supports the skin's natural moisture balance and help give fresh, healthy, glowing skin. In this DIY, aloe vera works to calm the skin and keep skin feeling light and comfortable. Aloe vera makes a perfect anti-aging ingredient for your skin. Now mixing the aloe vera with the petroleum jelly is going to allow us to blend water and oil together. So we're using, let's start with a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. So that's 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. and 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. And now we're going to blend the two together, slowly blending it in. Now guys, if you take a look at this, you might notice that it's not mixing as fast as I would want it to mix since the time is so cold. So I'm reaching for some hot water, and I'm going to place the bowl over the hot water, and this is going to make it blend easier and a more warmer environment. You can clearly see it blending more nicely, totally warming up. And now guys, we are going to move on to our next ingredient. Now our next ingredient is going to be apricot oil. Apricot oil is rich in fatty acid and vitamins that help nourish the skin. It's known for being lightweight and fast absorbing, which makes it great for softening without clogging pores when used in small amount. This oil helps improve skin smoothness and elasticity, making skin feel so soft, so supple, and very comfortable. In our blend, apricot oil acts as an anti-aging oil because it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Not only that, it helps the mixture to spread easily while supporting soft, radiant, healthy looking skin. So today we are using 1 teaspoon of the apricot oil, and we're just going to pour it in. 1 teaspoon apricot oil. Now my next oil is going to be some star anise oil. Star anise oil is a very highly concentrated essential oil, so we only use a very tiny amount. Now because it's so strong, it have to be diluted. Star anise help to tighten and firm the skin, making it a perfect anti-aging oil. However, when using this oil, you definitely need to mix it with a carrier oil or mix it with other ingredients like I'm showing here today, and only a tiny bit amount, as I said. Now do not directly use the star anise on the skin, mix it with other oil. I'm just going to add a little top, just a little top to my skin here, since I already have the apricot oil there, and I'm just blending it on my skin. And even this is too much for, the little amount of apricot oil that I add to the skin. So what I'm going to be using in this is about a 1/4 teaspoon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 drops of the star anise oil. And now we're going to blend all the ingredients together. We're mixing well. I'm mixing Vaseline, aloe vera gel, apricot oil, and star anise oil, making an anti-aging facial moisturizer, an overnight anti-aging facial moisturizer for soft, smooth, radiant, glowing skin. So now that we have all the oils blended together, we're going to reach for our final ingredient, and our final ingredient is going to be milk. And this is regular milk. If you're vegan, you can go ahead and you could use some soy milk instead. Now, why are we using milk? Now, milk has been used in skincare products for a very long time. As a matter of fact, years ago, when women tried to beautify themselves, they actually started using milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which is a very gentle exfoliating ingredient. This helps loosen dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, making skin feel smoother and look brighter over time. Milk is also naturally smoothing and moisturizing. It helps soften the skin without being harsh, which is why it is often used in many DIY skincare mixture. In this recipe, milk helps to balance the heaviness of the Vaseline, making the mixture feel smoother and easier to spread, while gently supporting skin renewal and also helping to protect the skin barrier. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon, let's do 2 teaspoons of the milk, and we're adding this to the bowl, and now we're going to blend it all together. We do not suggest adding this to the blender. Once I add the milk, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of the spoon, and now I'm going to be using my whisk, very small whisk. I'll link it in
the description and take a look at this, guys. This is how you want it to be. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour this in a bowl. Wow, this is so fluffy, really fluffy, amazing, guys. Let me show you real quick how cream like this is. Take a look at that. Look how creamy this is. Let's study this. Look how creamy this is, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Look how soft, look how smooth. Ooh, it just glides on the skin like that. Really nice, really nice. All right, let's pour this in our storage jar. Now each ingredient in this DIY play a role, guys. The Vaseline seal moisture, the milk gentle soften and smooth, the aloe vera hydrates and calm, the apricot oil nourish and soften, and the star anise oil tighten and firm. Together they create this amazing blend for hydration, wrinkle reducer, healthy skin, glowing skin, just an amazing looking glass like skin, using simple ingredients that support skin barrier. Now always remember, guys, do a patch test first. Everyone's skin is different. We're using a small amount on the skin nightly, and this is for external use only. So definitely, guys, remember that when you're using any DIY. Now let's reach for the storage jar, and we are just going to pour this out. Look how creamy that is. Look at that. It's amazing. You would think that I use a blender to blend this, which I didn't, because you know, the whisk got it down pack, and everything is nicely blended together. And here we have it, guys. This is our anti-aging overnight moisturizer that you can use on the skin. And for this one, store it in the refrigerator. It's a 7 days cream. Use it up within 7 days because we add the milk to it. And you can choose to store it in the refrigerator. Look at that, amazing. Ooh, and you know, just also, guys, if you have very dry hands, you can use it on your hands too. You can actually use this all over your body for smooth, clear, hydrated skin. So here we go. Your perfect anti-aging facial moisturizer that you can whip up at home.